It's all anyone is talking about. Money is tight right now. Everything costs more, from gas to groceries. But a new report shows inflation rose less quickly last month. 13 News Now has team coverage of these money woes. We'll hear from Ann Sparacco about how people who drive for a living are dealing with high fuel prices. But we start with Alex Littlehales and a closer look at that inflation report.
Some numbers may suggest that inflation rates are down, but other key factors paint a different story. Today, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released the latest consumer price index for the month of April. The average all items increase came in at 0.3% for that month alone. That's a smaller number than what consumers have seen before. This March, inflation rose 1.2% in just 1 month. But does this actually mean that inflation is lower? Economic experts say not exactly.
Inflation's always been at a very low level, background noise.
Inflation isn't just background noise anymore. It's the center of attention for families figuring out their monthly budgets in a changing world.
Prices are going to continue to rise at least through the end of this calendar year.
The all items inflation rate is down, but a different key metric known as the core index rose according to Root.
Up 0.6% in April compared to a 0.3% trend. So the core trend is actually accelerating, which means inflation is spreading out to other things.
So inflation rates may appear to be cooling off, but the cost of living is still rising. Combining this with other economic factors, Root says the recession we all fear may already be here.
I think there's a reasonable chance that we're in a recession right now.
In Chesapeake, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
The year-over-year inflation rate for the country is now at 8.3%.